And the answer is you can't do it if your data is not organized in the first place. Picture it like this. If I have one jar of clean water and one jar of muddy water and I put the two together, I've just got more muddy water. Having clean data, managed data, is your start point for deploying AI.
Producing is a full ERP software, web-based. We have a continuous data flow from the field through the ERP to access to the intelligence data. Scheduling is a nightmare for cleaning companies because it's always changing. Every day you have some change in your company. So the goal of AI is to be able to help you to do, for example, some automatic replacement. If the employee as the app is able to say, I'm sick today, I cannot work, the system is able to automatically do the replacement and send information to your customer and to the new employee without human. I mean, today, AI works with automation. AI can cut by 70% the scheduling and planning time.
40% more HR time, 25% increase in billing accuracy, consolidated dashboard, 55% reduction in non-conformities, and so on, and so on, and so on. The data audit's a couple of weeks. What state are you in today? Where's your data? Followed by the implementation of the technology across all of the different silos of data, bringing them all together on the Project Clean ERP platform. We're talking about somewhere between 1 to 3 months. Not a huge investment, of something that will run your entire business going forward. At that point, your data will be in a state that you can begin to deploy some of the AI capabilities that Momar's talked about. So 0 to 3 months, and you're beginning to deploy AI technology for the first time in your businesses. I think that's absolutely an investment that you can justify.